Hello everyone, today's topic is trigonometry and we are going to solve sums using identities. Identities? What type of identities are they? Let's check it out. Now the first question is, prove that 1 minus cos A plus sin A by sin A plus cos A minus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. Actually, in these sort of sums, we have to use trigonometric identities as well as algebraic identities. What are the algebraic identities we have? We have a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus b square. Now, we should get that form. When we come for trigonometric identities, we have cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Now, when we apply this identity to 1 here, when instead of 1 we can put sin square a plus cos square a, but we cannot apply algebraic identity here because it is of the form a square plus b square. For a square plus b square we don't have direct algebraic identity. So what should we do? We should convert into tan and secant. We should convert this in the form of tan and secant or cosecant and cot. The reason is the other two trigonometric identities are 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosecant square a. Now I am going to take tan and secant based identity. Now what is secant a? It is 1 by cos a. What is tan a? It is sin a by cos a. Both secant a and tan a has cos a as the denominator. So we have to divide both numerator and denominator by cos a, so that we will get 1 minus cos a plus sin a by cos a divided by sin a plus cos a minus 1 by cos a. Now cos a is the common denominator, so we have to split that and write. How to split that? 1 by cos a minus cos a by cos a plus sin a by cos a. We can split the numerator in this way. Now how to split the denominator? Sin a by cos a plus cos a by cos a minus 1 by cos a. Now after converting this, what do we get? We'll get 1 by cos a is secant a. Cos a by cos a is 1. Sin by cos a is tan a. Apply that here so that we will get secant a minus 1 plus tan a divided by tan a plus 1 minus secant a. Here 1 by cos a is substituted with secant a. Sin a by cos a is substituted with tan a. After this, now we can apply trigonometric identity. Where can we apply trigonometric identity? Because it contains square, secant square a, tan square a. So in the place of 1 we can apply 1 plus tan square a is secant square a. We can apply secant square a minus tan square a for 1. Instead of 1 we have to apply secant square a minus tan square a, so that we will get this one. Next, secant square a minus tan square a, it is of the form a square minus b square. Now we are going to apply algebraic identity here. Secant square a minus tan square a. What is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b. So that should be written as secant square a minus tan square a should be written as secant a plus tan a into secant a minus tan a. Now observe the numerator. What is common in that? Secant a plus tan a is common, so that should be taken out. The common one should be taken out. If we take the common one outside, what do we have inside the bracket? We have taken secant a plus tan a outside. Inside the bracket we have 1 minus into secant a minus tan a. Now we have to remove the inner bracket by multiplying minus sign with secant a as well as with minus tan a. So in the next step we will get secant a plus tan a into 1 minus into secant a is minus secant a, minus into minus tan a is plus tan a. There is no change in the denominator. The next step is Just rearrange the denominator. Because the same 1 minus secant A and tan A is there in the denominator, so we are rearranging. Now cancel 1 minus secant A plus tan A, we will get secant A plus tan A as the answer. Secant A can be written as 1 by cos A, tan A can be written as sin A plus cos A. That's equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A, which is equal to RHS. Hence, we have proved our result. We'll move on to the second one. If x sin cubed theta plus y sin cubed theta is equal to sin theta cos theta and x sin theta is equal to y cos theta, then prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now, when you observe this question, you can find out two conditions given here. What are they? X sin cubed theta plus y cos cubed theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. X sin theta is equal to y cos theta. Based on these conditions, we have to prove x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now first, let us take x sin theta is equal to y cos theta. Now, I'm going to find out the value of y. What is y? Take cos theta to the left side. It becomes x sin theta by cos theta is equal to y. So, y is x sin theta divided by cos theta. Let this be equation number 1. Now let us take the next condition. X sin cubed theta plus y cos cubed theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. In this equation, in this condition, we have to apply the value of y. We should substitute the value of y. Now let us check out what do we get here after applying that value of y. We are getting x sin cubed theta plus, instead of y, put x sin theta by cos theta and into cos cubed theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. Now cos theta and cos cubed theta gets cancelled. Cos cubed theta gets cancelled and it becomes cos square theta. And this cos theta in the denominator gets cancelled. So what do we get? X sin cubed theta plus x sin theta cos square theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. Now see the left side. There are two terms. What is common in these two terms? X sin theta. Take it outside. If you take x sin theta outside, what will be there inside the bracket? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So you will get x sin theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1. It is a trigonometric identity and the value is 1. So x sin theta into 1 is equal to sin theta into cos theta. X sin theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Now we are going to find out the value of x. So take sin theta to the right hand side. This is x into sin theta. So if you take it to the other side, it becomes divided by sin theta. X is equal to sin theta cos theta by sin theta. Cancel sin theta, you will get cos theta. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 1. What is equation 1? Y is equal to x sin theta by cos theta. In the place of x, put cos theta. Cos theta gets cancelled. So y is equal to sin theta. Now we have got the values of x as cos theta and y as sin theta. Now, what is x square plus y square? Because we have to prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. So take x square plus y square, that's equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. That's equal to 1. Hence, therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Hence, we have proved our result. Thank you.